Mugasumi umwancho murigereria na ndengo kwarigania SMS mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chabona magoroba egera kumenyenga na riaya a korekanire imena isiko yorogongoro gusi asenjera yobwenge mutienyi no muyakegima omutenyo kane etarikine yamo umwaka bwechiri bwibere na 2022 lituke ligani goli manyekane tebona lituko lyokongainereria gose Fool's Day abwasa bange manyete banyarko bakungainwa litikulia rero kurende nigoli koera gusukungainwa nigo koera Chinsa sano ne mochia mugaso igo bali mwanyarko mo kungainwa igo litukelio nelia Fool's Day etalikia yamo ya kiro mutinyukane kira omwaka Kwarganira talimake kuruga igase studio kendera gutubwatia gwetera senchira ye mitandao Ndizi TV News ensemo ya Facebook na weigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube kwira nande asegekeke kerebosio agera nkumanyenga narariaya na kwarganiri Njeni gonkuru kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita no lia tokubwatira na komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakuru kwa Joshua Auta nigotoko ya chaka korwa asensemo ya Nyankoba abwa sabali mibeke merigie chae litukule igoro banyoreta maigerio igoro chira yogo kinia na kurenda ekemerie kiye chae abwa sabona balimia bange barorekanire kwiranira oburimi bwe chae asensemeyo ya Nyankoba magari ayo nigaguche kubakonya elikobe komokia asekemerie kyo na kwenyorera ligesali nene ekero bwangu iga omwaziri bw'oburimi Peter Munya anyara ko bakagoteba buna Nigo kira chikonyora ligesali nene ase bonus iyogo chakuliegwa asa matuko amake aribosio abwasate banga ligoli ndibeto kobu mwaka bwechiri bwibere na 2020 noyomo
Jere ya moyo kwa educate ya walimu igare bamanye nga ubole mwechae media sana wale bagraduate bale 500 ya tano lakini wale bale Nyankoba registered bale 26,000 abare active ame 20,000
tumna balemi to wena to poligerelinga na kicha itekoba tunye improve ya ebe improve eto kubolia banta basiasa bagende tukanda round tigaba to support mna balemi etute chai to ya factory mapema
Abaibuli nigo basemiwe kurenda abana babo chingakie chiga cy'umutimo ko mutambe abwasa abana banyarko bagusieka chiskuru na abande gukora matemwabo amatuka make aetire nigo baboliwe kweneke buna abana mbabwate chimbwa chingia asokobera ange na barabwo nonyina abaibuli abagaka batebiwe banyarko bagosemia abana babo abamura ilyo kweneke chimbwa chingia aya nigakwanitwe no muraiwe kyamakia na Kenya omuswati madakarua kerarenge asensemo ya Machakos ase omusangirekano o maendeleo ya wanawake abwasabulitia abaibuli bono kwa maiso na kulinda abana.
It is not because of the girl child that the boy child is getting lost. Let us be very frank. They need their fathers. They need male role models. If not a father figure. Tunauliza waume wetu, marafiki zetu, tunauliza wababa wote. Pay attention to the adolescent boy child. A mother is not enough as a role model. Wewe uko busy ukitafuta pesa. Unaweza kutafuta pesa upoteze mtoto. Tafuta pesa but be around the home to nurture the boy child. Let us not be made to feel guilty about our empowerment. Empowerment ya wamama haijafika. We are not 50-50 in the elected seats. We are not 50-50 in government.
Chinga kiecho omugavana bwe kaunti ya Makueni Kifutha Kibwana nere nigabulitie byombe ao wesokia na gusira abana banyaruka amana basubati unanchere ya moyo kuba chinga kichinyororo aso kwegendereria nigo baigo abulitie abasubati wesokia na kubuli birugo by'uburai abwasate betebuna abasubati nigo baranyara ko babakoleta monchuria mange asensi yaito ya Kenya.
Watoto wetu ni kweli kazi ni haba, kuna hizo shida na wameanza wengine kuingia kwa drugs, kuingia kwa zile pombe rahisi kama pande hizi wameingia kwa mkuuka sana, na hilo pia ni jambo la kushughulikiwa kwa sababu we will miss a generation. And we need, with the religious sector, with Maendeleo, with Nakada, with the counties, all of us, tushughulikie hilo jambo, tuokoe vijana. Nyinyi ndio hata wapigaji kura wale ni wengi. Mkipenda kuamua kubadilisha Kenya, mtabadilisha Kenya. Na najua chair wenu alisema jambo na labda mje create consensus enough, lakini mkipenda kubadilisha Kenya nyinyi mna uwezo. Kwa hivyo Kenya isipobadilika, next time tutakuja nyinyi tuwaulize what did you do.
Mulikyo batambe ase wizara ye chisemi chechi university nobotuki Dr. Simon Nabukwesi nigatogirie ababwatani bonsi be chisemi asokone kebuna matemo manene akirasi sano na isato nigarayo boikiranu abwasa boliri ababwatani bonsi abaiboli abarokia amona barokiwa kobaso mustari omutwe kwene kebuna chisemi nkogendera kirigukina asense yaito ya Kenya.
I want to take this opportunity to thank the DCC and all officers from the Ministry of Interior. I want to thank the TSC director and the team and all others who have assisted us to run exams up to this point. And they always get committed to the process to assist us. And I want to take this opportunity to ask colleagues in the teaching profession to be at the forefront of ensuring that rules and regulations are observed to the tiniest of the details. That's the only way we shall be demonstrating that the assistance by all other state agencies means something to us, that we are doing the right thing. And it's all in the interest of our nation.
Magega ye kigambere kenene gia Supreme gotugutira rorobotirwa BBI abwasiri tkuligoro bona babwatani amona barai ao kurwa sobomo bwa Kenya kwanza nigo baleganira roboti oru abwase batebire buna ekigambiro nigo kiawarokire chinguru chae buna nigo kire kyombe gietenenerete bene nonde tayo okogetumeka.
It is important to note that public funds used in the constitutional process were not appropriated by the National Assembly for the purpose, but were rather an illegal diversion of public funds by some public officials who decided to use their offices, to finance politics contrary to the Constitution and the Public Finance Management Act of 2012. We wish to remind the handshake duo and BBI promoters who misused their offices in diverting public funds to the BBI initiative that they are accountable to the public for their illegal decisions and actions as per Article 73(2)(d) of
Ase chinga kiecho ababwatani abo anenamana ababunge korwase abomo bwa Kenya kwanza niko batebire bagucha kogenda sikigambiro na goikia engana elierengete buna orobotirwa BBI nigo rwanyaltiko barokuyeriwa abwase rwanyara ko baro gotumeka chibesa tinyinge chiaba Kenya egento bano batebire okuno gotumeke nibo yaba Kenya esenchira etabwenereti gosase gento getari gocha konyora matunda nigo batebira abakenya bange nigo bagenderete konyorwa nemechando ao machando buno yubwenchara amono murakera anga chibase echo nigo cheire tugoika asense meyo kolende chikairwa goikase orobotirwa BBI orurwa nyarikoba rukuyeliwa.
Our members at the National Assembly are moving a motion compelling the Auditor General to undertake a forensic audit on all public funds spent in the illegal process from inception to date. It is now clear the illegality and fraudulent dictation to Kenyans of an illegal process that has cost the Kenyan government huge sums of money, funds that ideally should have been channeled to other urgent needs of Kenyans, is now well manifest in Azimio charades.
Ekiombe kemo gia Bet King nigo kia ruro bokonyi gochia sabasae asensemo ya Kawangware imiye mucho Nairobi unenjere ya moyo gokinia na gosira ebiegwa byabasabo nigo baigo gia tebiribuna ense ya Kenya nigebuate ebiegwa ao asabasae kolende asengenche yogo tabuate siwa na kige kogera ebiegwa ebyo benyarakoba bigosira. Oyo kurigie kirgo kyobo governor se county ya Siaya uyobayigo kabeire omonogari w'abanyanyimbo Charles Owino niga momachiri muri kyomanene bw'ikyama kya ODM Edwin Sifuna asogweswanania na siasa che county ejo niga muganire gotigari morioka abwasatebire abamenye korwa se county ya Siaya na wabwateri bagali abene asogochora barayibali barache kubakorera amagenderero.
Baba is going to be a candidate of a coalition of several parties under Azimio la Umoja to unite our country. And therefore, and ODM's policy is based on democracy and transparency. And remember, Baba fought and put his head on the rail for many years, getting detained for a continuous 8 years. That was just one detention, in order to fight for democracy in this country. And this is the space he fought for, democracy. I believe Sifuna is simply scared of our ability. Engineer Gumba and I, if they wanted to hire us, even today, to deliver for ODM, they know we will deliver for ODM. So if they don't want to hire us to deliver for them, then what we are simply doing is to avoid what we call voter apathy. We would want Right Honorable Raila Odinga to get as many votes as possible. We want to encourage each and every person that thinks he can run on any other party to run on that party, so that we don't lose any votes. But most interestingly, I would say that Sifuna cannot deliver for ODM even an MCA seat in Bungoma, and he knows we can deliver for ODM all the seats in Siaya. So we are not at the same level with him.
Mugavana wa kaunti ya Murang'a oyubo igoro murai kiama kia Usawa Party Mwangi wa Iria nitukuli igoro niganya tukobaga kwe wokoboko ase omoyega o NDC uyokorekanete ime yensemo ya Nairobi abwasa uchakoirukia ebandera yekiame kyo asokoliye kiroge kenene ky'uburai bwense asobochori bumwako yoiga korengana na Mwangi nigatebetebuna obubagi bwenibo ase enseito ya Kenya nigagucha kwene kyabuna mborengaine gosenkwena nare enibo ochase county chonsi ase kerengo kerengaine naboigo nigo asate batagucha kwenekia buno koliro bokurumi asense ito ya Kenya na kwenekia amagenderero nigo boigo atebete buna Kenya yaikire chingaki egwenete gochora abarai bali babwate abasabarai bali babwate amagenderero asemio yabo gucha saba Kenya egenta atebire abange babo nigo bakubangaina abakenya
Waeria soko wote keki ndio hiyo kila mmoja ameona.
The critical and unspoken challenge facing this nation is unequal distribution of national resources. To address this, our government we established a formula that to be able to cluster all households by their interests. We are going to drive a household economic model. It is our defining moment and we must seize this opportunity. Election Day, 9th of August 2022 shall be a moment of history and I urge you to join me to make this Usawa nation.
Mwancho muligereria na rayo asebono kuri ndege ndrako beme ya nditia gwetera sense moyo mitandao mbiyamano Joseph Mauti amona Blessed Mam abagendreta ko baimeyo murubulyo bwa mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchira ya Facebook na bali bonsi mwagendera kubwatia murubulyo igani gotogwa kangambi yamono kigima mbiyamano Petronila Mokeira eyone producer yane korwa sense moyo ndi studio oyone kyabuna eliogi nechibicha cha wikerero mwancho muligereria asenchira yobotoereru orito baterana komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inje nako yoletera senchira yobwenge nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarange ontita
Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ryubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi eriobwekere abarigereria kurochi county sana na ibire echuchira sorogonkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba enoti sana na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo erioto gwekere gose otutarire ase chiabisi chito